how to create a blog in Google Sites. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a blog in Google Sites. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Google Sites, and from there you can whether create a blank site and start from the scratch. Also, you can just go to the template section and you can search for your preferred blog site template. For example, you can also search for blog and you can find it, or you can just manually search it up here. Here you can see this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, so let's edit it. Also, let's choose a blog post like this. Here you can see this one. So let's tap onto it. Wait until it loads completely. Now we can edit it according to your need. Our need. Now let's say we want to add an image. Okay, before getting into image, I'm gonna show you how you can edit text on Google Sites. So first of all, if you want to edit any text, just choose the text from here, and then from here, from the right corner, you can choose the pages. Also, you can just edit those texts like, "Hi, welcome to my Google Sites. Let me show you the magic." Okay, that's enough, I think. Now let's say you want to edit this text. You want to make it italic, you can do it. You want to make the text more larger, you can do it if you wish to. You want to change the font, you can even do that if you wish to. You can just tap onto this icon here, and from there you can change them here. From here you can just change that font, and at the title bar you can add some title from here. So I'm gonna type in magic world. So this is it. Now you can add logo also if you want. So let me show you how you can do that. Yeah, you can see this add logo little option here, and from there you can upload a logo of your product or your brand. For example, I'm gonna upload this type. Okay, let's skip this part. I just showed you how you can upload an image. You can check out this Viewer Tools custom domains if you want to connect it with a domain and publish it online. Then you can just tap on to connect domain, and from there you can connect it with any domain. You can buy a domain from GoDaddy or Hostinger and then copy the domain link and paste it over here. Then you have to tap next and confirm it. Now let's say you want to add more. For example, from here you can want to add more insert pages. You can choose this pages type from here. So these are basically the content blocks of it. You can add images, you can select image also if you wish to. Just choose a random images. Okay, let's upload. Okay, let's go there. We can upload images from here. I'm gonna choose and okay, let's skip this part. Let me upload an image from my browser. That's it. Then it will be enough. Okay, as you can see, this is unsupported image format because it only supports JPG files. That's why it is unsupported. You just have to, you will need a perfect supported image. For example, here you can see this is screenshots. You can upload them because they are supported, and you can also upload from here, but you can also delete these images if you wish to. And let's delete the images, these blanks. Now let's add a text box right here. Let me bring the text box to this place. Let me add a text box. Okay, let me add some text right here, and then I'm gonna keep it up here. Where does it go? Okay, let me go make it up and gonna add it right here, and I'm gonna make it larger, for example on the 30 size, and I'm gonna change the font to this, and I'm gonna make it bolder, change the color to yellow, and that's it. You can also embed link with this text if you want. You just have to choose the text or images that you want to make embed with. Then you have to tap onto this link icon. Now you have to paste the link here, and then you have to tap apply, and whenever someone click this image or text, for example this is the same with the text, you just have to paste the link and save it up, and whenever someone click the link or the text image you said, you can say they will be redirected to that site you provided the link with. You can also add collapsible group, table of contents, image carousel, button, etc. You can tap onto social links and you can add social links right here. You can also add images of the social links or any other image you want to provide. Just open it up and then insert it onto your browser. So that's it. This is how you can do it, and if this video is helpful, let me know. You can also choose the pages resume or resume and project type. You can choose the themes if you wish to. You can add images at the header. You can also upload your random images or your previously made images by tapping onto this plus icon, like import theme, and you can import images easily. You can tap onto Aristotle from here. You can choose the text color from here. You can choose it. So as you can see, the text has been uploaded. So basically this is how we can create a Google site with the help of it. With the help of Google Sites, you can create a blog post right like this. Now let's say you want to upload or publish it. At the top right corner here you can see this plus icon here. You can share it by copy the link from here. You can public it, you can restrict it, also you can remove the link if you wish to, and from the draft side you can choose on this option onion with the link, and then you can save it up, and also just copy the link from here, and you can also copy the link right from here if you wish to, and then send it to the person you want to share it with. Also you can just simply tap onto this publish icon here, but before that you can see this or the three dot icon. You can choose out your version history, you can make a copy, you can help sites improve. Like if you tap on it, you can just give a feedback. So now let's tap on to publish. There we go. Now you have to enter your web address. Like if you want to upload it to your website, just enter your web address and then check this icon, and then for example this one, you just have to publish it. You have to enter perfect web address and then publish it. So then you will be able to publish your website like blog post onto your website. So that was it. This is how you can create a blog post using Google Sites. So if this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section, and till then, take care, goodbye. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and toggle the bell icon on, and I would recommend you to use Google Sites because it is really easy to use and beginner friendly to use. Any beginner can easily make a blog post using Google Sites very easily. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye.